Hi guys, welcome back. For this video, I'm gonna be doing a voiceover tutorial of this look right here. So this is kind of a blue eyeshadow look, but teal instead of like the regular cobalt blue. So to start, I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base. So this is a flesh toned cream eyeshadow base. I love using this because it cancels out the discoloration while keeping the natural flesh toned skin-like color of the lids. So I'm just applying it all over the lid up to the brow bone and also on the wing of the eyelid. Next, I set that base with some translucent powder, and this is very important because you want your eyeshadow to blend seamlessly with the rest of the eye. So for my eyeshadow palette, I'm using the Too Faced Life's a Festival eyeshadow palette. I'm using first the transition shade, Desert Vibes, and I'm just popping it on the crease on my orbital bone using a Zoeva soft crease brush. For this look, I'm only going to be using two eyeshadow shades because I want the look to be very striking and I want the color blue to really pop out. So for the teal on the eyelid, I'm using the shade Dusk Teal Dawn, and I'm applying it with my ring finger. So I'm just packing it on my lid first, and then I will finesse it with a small precision eyeshadow brush. So to make sure that the color pops on your lid as much as it did with the finger, dampen the brush that you're going to use. So with a small shadow brush, I'm going to trace the shape of the lid. So I'm going to start with the inner corner and then I'm going to finish the outer corner as well using the same brush. And then, if you have hooded eyes like mine, make sure that you also apply the lid color on the space just beneath your orbital bone so that you can see the blue blend into the crease when you open your eyes. So just stop and check it with your eyes relaxed and open and then fill in that space. And with a look like this, it is very important to use either a pencil eyeliner or a shadow liner or even a regular felt tip, brush, ink, whatever eyeliner. Just make sure to use eyeliner because there isn't any depth to this look without an eyeliner. So you want to tight line on your lash line and also on your waterline, both underneath and the top lash line. I also give myself a bit of a wing, just a very small wing, just to sort of end the eyeshadow so that it kind of blends into something dark instead of just blending into the skin. And then with a smudger brush, make sure to smudge that eyeliner so that it will blend with the blue and that it will look more smoked out instead of really sharp. But if you want a sharp eyeliner look, then of course you can do that too. But for me personally, I prefer a smoked eyeliner. So I'm smudging the lower and top lash line. And then I also lined my lower waterline with a pencil eyeliner so that my eye is completely defined. And here's a before and after with the eyeliner. I feel that it really makes the eye look bigger with eyeliner. So I already did my base and my brows off camera. For my brows, I used the NYX Micro Brow Pencil and the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. With a look like this, I want to make sure that my base looks completely warm but clean so that it doesn't look so stark with such a bright eye look. but it's up to you if you want to use cool tones or warm tones with this look. I feel like it works with both because it's just very striking and bold that it kind of matches with everything. In my case, I'm using a warm transition shade, so I have to resort to warm tones with the rest of the look so that it matches. And then I just sculpt my nose because it looks really white and bare, and I don't want it to look that way. For blush, I'm sticking with the warm tones. I'm using a peachy nude shade from Silky Girl. This is Honeywood. And then for some highlight, I'm actually trying out a new highlight. This is the Nude Sticks Nudies in Illuminati, and it's a cream highlight, but I'm a rebel and I applied it right at the end of the makeup look. I'm not sure how I feel about this highlighter worn this way yet, because I feel like it works best underneath powder, definitely, because it kind of like creates a bit of texture. So that's my mistake, but yeah, it looked fine though. Now I'm moving on to my powder highlight. This is the J-Cat Baked Bronzer in Coconut Island. It's actually a bronzer, but on me it's more of a highlight shade, and I love the way this looks, especially on top of that cream highlight, because it just gripped onto that cream and it just made it really pop without me having to dampen my brush. It was a bit too intense for me, so I blended it some more with this brush. Lipstick. I actually didn't like the lipstick I chose in this video. I mean, I love the lipstick itself, but the shade just didn't go with the look, in my opinion. For a more wearable look, it just looked really gaudy. So I tried to tone it down with a cream, like very pale nude lipstick that I had. Then I applied a bit of mascara. Well, not a bit, a ton of mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and this mascara is amazing. I love it so much. Just look at how much it volumizes and lengthens my lashes. So I have like a quick before and after here for you, but I just make sure to really get the roots of the lashes and then like sort of twist it upwards so that it gets all of the hairs and really coats it well. And this is how it looks before and after. Then I'm still not satisfied with the lips, so I tried to tone it down some more using the same lipstick shade, and this is how it looked at the end. And I'm still not satisfied with the lips actually. Now that I see it on camera, I actually don't like it at all. I kind of preferred the first version that I did of this look, but just think of this lipstick as like a lip option 2 because I prefer the other one, which will be lip option 1. So this is lip option 1. This is a peachy nude. This is ColourPop strip with Game On in the center. And then this is lip option 3 because after that I changed the lip with the Everyday Love nude lips in number 5, and I prefer it this way. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!